This is the MGGM collection men's outdoor sandals. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. I'm actually 52. I've never worn any type of shoe like this before. These were sent to me to check out. I've been using them for the last couple days just to get a feel for them before I give you my opinion on them. I was out walking my dog in the rain today. I wanted to get some rain work on these. You've got a rubber sole on here, and the traction on them was actually fantastic. It was great in the dirt. It was great in the yard. It was great on the blacktop. And it was great on a golf cart path that we were on today, and it worked out really well. I was actually pleasantly surprised with them. It was very humid today, and you've got these holes in the shoe that keep you nice and cool. Obviously the open back here, really like that feature of it. You've got this leather mesh top that just dries quickly. It's been a couple hours since I was on my walk and it's dried already. One of the features here is you've got elastic shoelaces. Look at that. There's a clasp on here that you can tighten them up or loosen them up, however you want to do it. The way it came from the factory was actually pretty perfect for me. I actually wear a size 13 and these are size 12s and they fit me perfectly. I don't know if they all come large or not, or run large, but that's how it worked in my case. I wear 13, these are size 12. It worked out great. You've got these rubber soles on here. It's kind of a spongy rubber material that has kind of a, ridges in it for traction on there. I didn't know how I felt about that at first, but eventually it became comfortable to me. So that worked out pretty good. I've got an adjustable Velcro strap on the back here. Adjust around your heel. Nice leather toe on there to protect your toe. Pretty awesome. This is something that I could, obviously I can use every day to walk my dog in the summertime and stay comfortable. This would be great for the beach. This would be great for going fishing, going to a sporting event, anything in the summertime where you want to stay cool and comfortable. I like them. I'm going to show you some videos of me walking around in them today and see what you think. And I'm telling you, the traction I'm getting on this wet road out here today is fantastic. And it is hot and humid here in Delaware, and it just rained. I came through the backyard on the grass and there was some mud in the easement, no problem at all. We've been out hiking on these trails back here, and these things are holding up great. They're comfortable, and my friend said I had to get something like this because I just had to try them in the summertime, and he said he loves his. And these things are pretty sweet, man. I can't get over how comfortable these things are, and I also can't get over the traction I'm getting on these rubber soles. Leather on the top right there, rubber soled on the bottom. These are great in the mud, wet mud. Good traction. Oh. Not slipping and sliding at all. Good stuff here. Let's get it through the grass. There you go, buddy. On the rocks. Great in the water. These conditions, wet. These are great in wet conditions. Really digging these. But anyway, check them out. It's the MGGM collection men's outdoor sandals. Check them out.